Hey friends, welcome back to Rocko's Music Factory. Our pal Ellie is here to chat. Good to see you, Ellie.
Good to see you too, Andrew. Hi, everyone.
How can we help you?
Well, Andrew, my mom and dad taught me how important it is to pray. We say prayers together before I go to bed, and I pray before I eat my food, and I try to remember to pray during the day too.
That's fantastic, Ellie. You know, St. Paul says that we should pray without ceasing.
Yeah, I know. But sometimes I can't think of any prayers, or I forget how they go because they're just so long. And they use big words like condescension and penitence. And then there's that one about my dad who makes art in heaven.
I think you mean Our Father who art in heaven?
Yeah, that one. And don't get me wrong, I love praying. I just can't always think of the words to say.
Well, I understand, Ellie. Sometimes it can be hard to remember specific prayers, but I know a prayer that's very short and easy to remember and still very powerful.
Really?
Yeah, in fact, it's one of the most important prayers for us Orthodox Christians. And I'll tell you what, we here at Rocko's Music Factory are sure to have a song to teach it to you. Come on. Pardon me, Rocko.
Hi.
Hey there, Rocko. Ellie here needs help remembering a short prayer. Do you think you could share one of your songs on the Jesus prayer?
Why, I certainly suppose so. Here we go.
One time I saw Father Nicholas sitting in prayer with a little black rope in his hand. And then he lifted his head and called me over and said, I have something to tell you, my friend. He said, when you live like me, your salvation may seem barely hanging on by a thread, but this here thread I am holding may just be enough. Let me tell you the prayer that I said. It went, Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Though it's simple and short, it's a powerful prayer. It can protect you from danger and sin. And when temptation is near, or if you're fighting with fear, take up the sword of the prayer and you'll win. You can pray without ceasing wherever you are, at school, at home, or at play. And then your prayer will arise as incense in God's eyes. You'll pray with angels in heaven someday. Just say, Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner.
Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. With the Jesus prayer, men quickly approached the life of the angels.